Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are seeing this video. Welcome to Great Trading Lab. Before we get started, kindly click on the subscription button, like and share this video. I'm going to talk about the outlook for the week using my fxalexg set and forget strategy, the strategy that I use also. So we are going to jump into the chart. I'm going to talk about the trade that we were on last week that I'm currently holding, and also I'm going to talk about the trade that I'll be entering next week. Next week, pretty much I'll just be looking for just two entries, just two setups. If I just get two setups, I'm done for this week that we're entering. I just need two setups because I'm already on two setups already that I've been on since last week. Let's jump into the charts without wasting your time. So we have price on a downtrend the weekly. On the weekly, we have price on a downtrend. On a daily, we also have price on a downtrend, and then on the 4 hours, we have price on a downtrend. But on the 4 hours, we are expecting a little retracement back to this zone before we sell. Expecting a little retracement back to the zone before we sell. So we'll be expecting price to go down to 1.06705, and then GBP JPY this is a chart pattern that I saw, but we are not going to use that for now, so I'm just going to take it off. So we will just be, I'm also on the GBP JPY trade. We are expecting a little retracement, and then before the sell continue. Then let's go to NZD JPY. NZD JPY, we were on this trade last week, but it took us out on break even. I posted the signal on my Telegram group, as you can see it on the screen, but it took me out on break even because I had other open trade that I was risking, and especially gold was among one of them, so I had to cut my loss. So but it took us out on break even. But I'm also expecting a retracement back to the zone, then maybe I can enter the trade for next week. I'm still looking at that. Then AUD USD, as you can see, we are expecting price to come back to this support zone so that we can buy AUD USD. As you can see, we have price on the uptrend. On a daily, we have price on the uptrend. On a weekly, as you can see, so we also have price on the uptrend. On the 4 hours, we're expecting a retracement, and then we're expecting price to go to 0.66276. I love this setup of AUD USD, so I'll be looking closely to this AUD USD setup. I think it's one of the trade I'm going to enter for next week. And also I'm also looking at USD JPY. I had the entry before USD JPY somewhere around here, but it took me out on SL, and it was not a nice one now because I was not happy, but there was nothing I could do. But we have price again back to our entry, back to this zone. Remember, when we are below this point, we sell. We are below here, we sell. Below here, sell. So when we are above, we buy. So for now, we are below this place, we are below the resistance, so we're expecting a retracement, then we sell. So that is it for USD JPY. Then NZD USD, there's so many setup this week, but I'm just going to take only two to minimize our loss and also make us not to trade too much. So NZD USD, this is the outlook for NZD USD, but I'm not sure I'm going to take NZD USD. So, but this is the outlook for NZD USD. And then Euro JPY, Euro JPY, Euro JPY. I love Euro JPY too, but I'm not going to enter Euro JPY because number one is a counter trend, and I don't just want to risk so many movement. But this is what I'm expecting for Euro JPY. We are expecting market to go to the downside, expecting a little bit of retracement to the upside to this zone. Then we sell from here. But as I said, I may not enter this pair. It just depends. And BTC, I'm already on BTC USD. I dropped the signal on my last video. You can check it too on my last video. BTC USD, we are expecting BTC to go back to 123k soon. So this is it for BTC USD. And Euro NZD. I also love Euro NZD because on a 1 week we have price on the uptrend, on the 1 day and on the 4 hours. So we are expecting a little bit of retracement to the downside, like to this point, so we buy from here to the upside. So this pair is also on my top list to enter. Remember that I said I was going to either enter AUD USD or this Euro NZD. So this is the two trade that is really on my list to enter. So this is it for now. This is the outlook for the week. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, and also don't forget to join our Telegram so that you can get entries for all this trade with this nice setup so that you won't miss out from this. Thank you. And also don't forget to share this video.